Abu Dhabi may be a desert capital, but it doesn't have a shortage of fun water activities for the whole family to enjoy. So if you're looking for a thrilling and refreshing way to beat the heat or get your adrenaline pumping, I've got just the thing for you. In this video, I'm sharing 7 unbelievable water sports experiences like you've never seen before. Coming in at number 7, there's no better way to get a bird's eye view of the stunning coastline than by parasailing. Let's be real, the Corniche is breathtaking from any angle, but floating 500 feet in the air gives you a whole new appreciation for its beauty. The takeoff is exhilarating, but once you're gliding, the experience turns peaceful and almost meditative. One company that offers this unforgettable adventure is Abu Dhabi Parasail. They'll take you soaring above the sparkling Arabian Gulf while a speedboat pulls you along, giving you a surreal sense of freedom. With only the birds and clouds as your companions, it's the perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. And for as little as 300 dirhams, you can experience this incredible thrill for yourself. Looking for something more extreme? Then this number 6 spot might be right up your alley. Surfing the waters on an Efoil, also known as an electric surfboard. At first glance, this futuristic floating contraption looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But in reality, it's a game-changing invention that lets you surf without waves, giving you full control of your speed. The pros make it look effortless, but this takes some getting used to. During your first few tries, don't be surprised if you end up in the water within seconds of stepping on. But hey, practice makes perfect, right? And before you know it, you'll be gliding like a natural. And the best part? You don't have to figure it out alone. FunFit Club offers immersive lessons to help you master the ride in a safe and fun environment. For 1,100 dirhams, you get a 60-minute session with top-tier instructors. With a guide by your side, you'll be soaring over the water with confidence in no time. At number 5, it's jet cars. In Abu Dhabi, where cutting-edge technology is the norm, spotting a sports car speeding across the waters of the Corniche isn't just possible, it's expected. If you're seeing it for the first time, you might do a double take, but trust me, your eyes aren't deceiving you. That's right, jet skis are so 2024. Jet cars are the hottest new thrill of 2025. Perfect for adrenaline junkies, Jet Car Water Sport offers sleek, high-end models and even the option to stop at an island for a picnic. It's fast, futuristic, and oh, so UAE, I know you're already itching to take one for a spin. And with so many choices, you won't have a hard time finding the perfect ride. Besides Jet Car Water Sport, there's Sea Hero Water Sports, which provides top-tier jet car rentals with professional, licensed instructors, accommodating up to 3 passengers per ride. Meanwhile, Jet Car Abu Dhabi offers an even larger selection, with models that fit up to 4 people. So buckle up, hold on tight, and get ready for an unforgettable ride. With the open sea as your playground, the only thing left to do is hit the gas and enjoy the thrill. Up next at number 4, we have scuba diving. The waters around Abu Dhabi are teeming with life. Think turtles, dolphins, vibrant coral reefs, and an array of fascinating marine creatures. And the best way to get up close and personal with them? Dive right in. Once you're underwater, it's like stepping into another world, where you can swim alongside these incredible animals, as if you were part of the ocean itself. Luckily, there are plenty of places to learn, but one of the best is Al Mahara Diving Center. This veteran club not only offers unforgettable diving experiences, but also hosts eco-friendly debris dives and wildlife awareness sessions. Plus, they organize trips to Oman and some of the region's most stunning wrecks and coral reefs, ensuring every dive is packed with adventure. Another fantastic option is Seahawk Water Sports and Adventures, run by an Emirati PADI master diver. They offer a wide range of certified courses, tailored for everyone, from total beginners to seasoned pros. So, whether you're a junior or a master diver, you'll get hands-on training that suits your skill level. After about 4 days, you'll even earn a certification to mark your achievement. Beyond lessons, Seahawk also offers daily dive packages to 5 different locations along Abu Dhabi's coast. You can explore mysterious shipwrecks or dive into waters teeming with microlife. So why wait? Book your spot now and get ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of the deep blue. Prices start at 150 dirhams for adults and 130 dirhams for kids ages 3 to 12. Moving up the list, we've got the ultimate man-made wave. Welcome to Surf Abu Dhabi. This world-class surf park is an oasis in the Arabian Gulf, sitting right in the heart of Hudayriyat Island. Unlike the open ocean, where tides can be unpredictable, here you get perfect waves every single time. The water keeps pumping, and your dream waves just keep rolling in. Best of all, this state-of-the-art facility puts you in control, letting you customize the flow to match your skill level. New to surfing? Start with Beach Break, a gentle rolling whitewash that's perfect for building confidence. Got a little experience? Try Cocoa Beach, where waist-high, slow-paced waves help you level up. If you're at an intermediate level, Point Break offers faster, longer waves, ideal for practicing soft barrels and turns. And for the pros, there's the Kelly Wave, a high-performance, hollow wave packed with slabbing barrels and high-speed turns. So, which wave are you riding first? Drop your pick in the comments. For those planning to bring the whole squad, there's the Surf Trip, which gives you exclusive access to surf Abu Dhabi's main wave. With a 90-minute uninterrupted ride, you and your crew of up to 6 people can catch as many barrels as you want. Want a little guidance? A coach is available to help you master each wave and elevate the experience. Coming in at number 2, we've got a more laid-back adventure, but don't let that fool you. While there's not a lot of action involved, speedboat rides are still very much part of the experience with the yellow boats. This isn't just a cruise. It's a thrilling sightseeing tour around the Corniche and Yas Island, offering unmatched views of Abu Dhabi's stunning skyline, nature, and world-famous landmarks. And just when you think you know everything about the city, the onboard guides will hit you with fascinating facts that'll make you see the capital in a whole new light. Want in? Choose from 3 awesome packages. A 60-minute fun boat tour that takes off from Emirates Palace Marina, then moves along the stunning Corniche to the Heritage Village. A 75-minute slow-paced panoramic evening tour that includes idyllic Yas Beach, Yas Links Golf Club, and the 21st century modern architecture. Or an unforgettable 45-minute ride along the Yas Bay waterfront with sightseeing opportunities of iconic landmarks like the Etihad Arena, Yas Marina, and the Al Bandar Canal. No matter which one you pick, you're in for an epic ride. So grab your tickets now. Prices start at 199 dirhams. Alright, we've already covered 6 incredible water adventures in Abu Dhabi that'll get your heart racing. Have you picked your favorite yet? Or are you still weighing your options? Either way, you'll want to save room for our number 1 spot, because it's going to be epic. Are you ready for it? Let's go. Taking the number 1 spot is none other than Yas Water World. This isn't just any water park. It's the ultimate aquatic adventure, packed with 40 exhilarating rides, wild slides, and unforgettable experiences for the whole family. Here are just a few must-try attractions. Sabag Yas Water World, a high-speed, 6-lane racer slide where you can go head-to-head with friends, family, or even challenge a total stranger. Who's got the need for speed? Jebel Drop, the region's tallest speed slide that launches you from the height of a mountaintop. At 10 stories high, the view is breathtaking, but the real thrill comes when the light turns green and you take the plunge. Cinesplash. This one-of-a-kind 5D cinematic experience takes you on a quest to uncover the legend of the Lost Pearl. With cutting-edge effects and full immersion, this is way more than just a movie, it's an adventure. Just make sure to book your seat early, as slots fill up fast. Hamlul's Humps. Ready for a serious adrenaline rush? This high-speed slide features 2 massive humps that will have you soaring before plunging down from the tallest point in the park. Just lie back, cross your legs, and brace yourself for the ride of a lifetime. Slithers Slides, a twisting, turning, 6-slide adventure designed for thrill seekers. You'll rocket through dark enclosed tubes, take on sharp drops and sudden twists, and even pass through a serpent's head before splashing down into the landing pool. Feeling brave? Ride solo or bring a friend along for the wild ride. Feeling excited? This is just the beginning. There's so much more waiting for you at Yas Water World. You can easily spend an entire day here, so grab your tickets now for only 266 dirhams and dive into the fun. With these water activities at your fingertips, you can effortlessly beat the desert heat in Abu Dhabi and have fun while you're at it. Stay refreshed, be happy, and keep the adventure going. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.